So now we're done discussing the draw tools and modify tools. So now we're going to create a bedroom. So first, I started with a rectangle. So REC and press enter. So you have to select a point and then I have to type the length and width of the bedroom. So as per PD 1096 or National Building Code of the Philippines, the habitable space is 2 by 3 or 6 square meters. So 2000 by 3000 and press enter. There you can see now the interior space of the bedroom. Next, so we're going to create a wall. So I have to use the offset tools. So O, press enter, specify the distance of offset. So for the interior wall, it's 150 millimeters or 0.15 meters. So I have to type 150 and press enter. So I have to click the rectangle that I made and then press on the outside of the rectangle. So I already have now the interior walls for my bedroom. There. So I have to press escape to cancel the command. Next is, for example, if you have, for example, this part is an exterior. So your exterior wall should be 200 millimeters. So I have to extend this or stretch, sorry. So S for stretch and press enter. So select the part where I want to stretch. So I have to select this part, press enter, select the base point. So my base point is here. You can place any base point you want in the object. If you want it here, that's fine, or here, it's okay. So I want to place my base point here. Then I move it outwards. So since I already have 150 millimeters, I have to add 50 millimeters to make the distance 200 or thickness of my exterior wall 200. So after typing 50, I have to press enter. So now you can see this is thicker than this wall. Next is I have to create a door for my bedroom. So I will place it here. So what I have to do is use the break tools. So BR and press enter. So I have to select the object. This one. So I have to specify the first point. So I have to press F. So here I want to break this part. And then since this is a door, so the break of the line would be 800 millimeters or 0.8 meters. So I just have to type 800 and place my cursor on this side, not here. Because if I place it there, the break of the line would be on this side, not on this side. So I press enter. So here I already have the door opening. So I have to do it on this side as well. So BR, enter, select the object, specify the first point. So here type F, enter. So I have to use my O snap. There. Then I have to type 800. Press enter. Sorry. 800, press enter. There. So I already have the door opening. So for the gap here, I have to fill it with line. So L and press enter. So specify first point, then second point, and escape. Next would be copy this line into this line. So CO and press enter. Select the object that I want to copy and press enter. Specify the first base point and then the second base point, then escape to cancel the command. So I already have now the door opening. So I have to join this line on this line and also on the outer wall or the outer line. So what I have to do is type J, press enter, select this object, this one. I already joined the line. So same as this line, I have to join it. So J, enter, select this line and this. So it's already joined. Next would be, I want to create a bed. So I have to use the rectangle. So REC, press enter, select a point. The size of the bed for single size is 750 by 1800 and press enter. So I have to move this by typing M and press enter, select the object, specify, enter, and then specify the base point. So I will place it here. So you can place it anywhere you want, but this is just a demonstration of how we will create a drawing or a plan. Or you can place it here or here. So next is the window. So I want a window here. So what I will do, there is another method where you can create a window. So first I have to use construction line. So XL, press enter. Look at your command window. There is horizontal, vertical, angular, and bisect and offset. So I will use horizontal since the placement of my window is here. So H, enter. I have to place it here first, then escape to cancel the command, and I have to offset it. O, enter. So my distance would be 1 meter, 1000. So press enter. So I have to select this construction line going to this point. Next, I have to cancel it. I have to offset again. So you can press the space bar to repeat the action or enter. So I have to press space bar so the action is already repeated. So the length of my window is 600 and press enter. Select this construction line going here and I want another window. So press this line again and place your cursor here. So it's now already, I have already now 2 windows. So then I have to erase this one. E, press enter, select the object and enter. So what I have to do next is to trim this construction line. So what I will do is TR, enter. Select the object or your reference where you want the line to be trimmed or cut. So I have to select this and press enter, then select this construction lines and then enter. So I have to erase this excess construction line. So how will I do that? Press E, enter, select this object or lines, press enter. So now I have to trim this one. So TR, press enter, select this first line and the second line, press enter, then so now it's deleted or trimmed. So I want to join this line again to this polyline. So what I have to do is J, enter, and press the line, the first line or the first object, then the line that you want to join and enter. Same as well with here. But you can use another command, which is chamfer. CH A, press enter, select this first line, then the second line. So it's now joined. Same as in this one. So first line, second line, there. Now I have to create a cabinet. So REC, press enter, select a point. So the size of my cabinet would be 600 by 1500. Press enter. So I have to rotate this one to place it here. So RO, press enter, select an object, press enter, select the base point. So I want it here on the center. You can place anywhere on the object for your base point. So I prefer on this point. So now I click the center and I will move it downward to make it in horizontal. So, or you can type your angle. So, there. So I have to move it and enter. There. Okay, so it's too long. So what I have to do is stretch it. So I have to cancel it. So S, enter, select the sides or part of the object that I want to stretch, enter, select as base point. So I select this one, then I will reduce it to 500, enter. So now the size of my cabinet is 600 by 1000 or 0.6 by 1 meter. So I have to move it now. There. So I want to create a dining area, for instance. So what I have to do, I want a circular table. So C, enter, specify a point for the center of the circle. If you want it in diameter, it's okay, but I will use the radius. So the radius of my table, I want it to be 450. No, I mean the diameter would be 450, so the radius would be 225. And press enter. So I have to move it here, there, or I place it here. So this is my side table now. Now I want to create a chair. So REC, enter, select a point. So my chair would be 500 by 450 and press enter. So I want it to be rounded, or I want it to have a round corner. So what I have to do is use the command fillet. So F, enter, select the first. I have to specify the radius. So I have to type R. So you can see on your command line. So R, enter, specify the radius. So 50 millimeters, enter. So specify or click the first line or object, then the second line. So if I want to repeat it, I have to press spacebar or enter, or you can type the command. So press spacebar, select first object, first line, then second line. So I'll have now a round edge. So I want to have a backrest. So what I have to do is create a line here. So XL, and then press and enter, then V, enter, then place it here, then escape. So I have to offset here to 50 for my backrest. Enter. So select the object and place your cursor or point here. So now the construction line is offset. So I have to erase this. Then trim this excess line. TR, press enter, select the object, enter, select the line that I want or you want to trim. Then enter. So I'll have to move this chair here. So M, enter, select the object, enter. There. So I want to rotate this chair. So RO, press enter, select the object, enter, specify the base point. I want it to be like this. So move it as well again. There. So now I want to create a door. So REC, enter, select a point. So the size of my door jump would be 50 by 150. Press enter. So I have to rotate it there and move it. There. So I want to have this door jump to be placed here as well, or to have a copy. So what you have to do, first way you can do that is CO and press enter. Select the object, press enter, specify a base point, then put it in here. So I already have now the other side of the door jump. Now I want to create the door swing or the door lift. So REC, enter, select a point, create the door or door lift. So 50 by 700 and press enter. So I have to rotate it. RO, select the object and rotate and move the door lift here. There. So what if I don't want it to be here? I want the opening on this side. So I have to mirror it. So MI, enter, select the object, specify a point, then move your cursor downwards. Then I don't want this door swing na, so I have to click yes. So there. Next, I want to create the door swing. So what I'll have to do is create a circle. C, enter, specify the center of the circle and place it at the end of the door. There. Now I want to cut the excess part or the part of the circle. So what I have to do is to trim it. So TR, enter, press this object, then this one, enter, then select this. So you'll have now the swing of the door. Next is for the window. So same as with this, you have to create a rectangle. So REC, press enter, specify a point. So 50 by 200. So I have to rotate it. So move this one. So the second method of having a copy of your window or window sill or window frame, you can do a mirror since you have now a reference line. So MI, press enter, click this object, enter. My reference point will be here, and place it here. And I don't want to erase this one, so I have to press enter. There. I have now the other side of the window frame. What if I want it to be a sliding window? So I'll create a sliding window. So first I have to create a line for the window sill. Okay. Next is the window. So REC, enter. Then the size of the window is 50 by 550. Press enter. So I'll have to move it and place it here. Or you can move it on the midpoint of the rectangle. So I want another copy for this one, so I have to use mirror. So MI, enter, select the object, specify a point, then place your cursor here on this side. If you place your cursor here, the mirror object would be like that. If in the vertical, it will be like that. So I have it in horizontal. Then no, enter. So I have to move it, M, enter. Okay, there. So I have now a sliding window. Now I want to create a pillow. So REC, enter, object, or specify a point. So the size of the pillow is 300 by 600. Enter. So I have to rotate this one and place it or move it here. Point, then. And that's it. You have now a bedroom. So if you want to put a detail here, you can do it. Like you put a hanger or the cabinet door. It's up to you. So for example, I want to put a cabinet door. So line at or greater than symbol 30 degrees. Sorry, again. L, enter, pick a point greater than symbol 30. No, sorry. The length of the line. So the length of the line would be, since this is 1000 or 1 meter, we'll make it 500. Then greater than symbol 30 degrees. Sorry. So it should be 80 to 10 degrees. So again, or if you're good with it, you just have to move na lang. So move na lang natin siya. Then mirror it other side there. Then for the swing, we can create a circle. So C, enter. We can use the 2 point. Sorry. We have to create an arc. ARC, enter. Create a center. Second point. This one. And trim it na lang. So, mirror this one. Then, you can move it naman. Okay. So, you have now the cabinet swing and the door swing. So, that's it. That's how you create a plan or a bedroom.